At least 4 people have died while an undisclosed number is stuck underneath an Iveco after a truck lost its brakes and collided with the Iveco earlier this morning on the South African side of the Maseru Bridge. Speaking at the scene, the Minister of Home Affairs, Lephema, explained that as the truck collided with the Iveco, some street vendors were affected.
And we've been told that there has been a truck that was loaded and it just came right from the hill, and then it is like maybe he lost the brakes and then he came all the way down. Unfortunately, just before he crossed the railway line, the driver jumps off, and then it's like he was hit by the same truck he was driving that ran right into the vendors that are busy doing their job there. And there was also a passenger bus that was on the side. It went and hit that bus, and then it fell into the Donga next to the border. And there has been a loss of life of about 4 people. At the moment, the authorities are still around here trying to recover the bodies, and soon the area will be cleared.
Lephema further passed his condolences to the families of the deceased and suggested measures to be taken to avert this from happening in the future.
Go bolela hore ke bana ba lebelletse go batswadi ba bang ba sebetsa moo ba bang bana ba mosebetsing ba lo fata metsuntsunyane ya o tata ba patalla dikolofisi o sontse o utlwa hore na jwale se le bothata bo bokae gobane go fela go bophelo go ba motho a le mong le motswadi ke batho ba bangata haholo bao a ba phedisang. Mme ka nnete ke boela ke peta hape lebitsong la mmuso wa Lesotho re isa matshidiso a kgethehileng go malapa ao beng ka bona ba latlhetsweng ke bophelo kotsing. Mohlomong motho ka bang ka monyetla gone jwale gore e ka ba hantle gore re tle ke re shebisane le ba mphato ba rona mohlomong ka go lena la rona la South Africa gore pele o theoela ka le dibogong lena mane go mane go go etsiwe mokgwa gore go be le dintho tse tweng ke di-speed hump tse tla ke di etse go motho a gopole gore o ntsa theoela ka mona e ka setana le koloi tse nyenyane hangata le hangata di theoa ka lebelo le hodimo haholo moo ba tla ka ba fokotse lebelo. Mohlomong ha ka ga ba le sebaka gona haufinyane le mona moo koloi tsa ba diamang teng kapa hodimonyana go kwetsuwe mokgwa wa off-ramp e teng e trepang dikoloi tsena tse ba mohlomong di le mathata a o fellwa ke mare e le hore kotsi e ka nye e le ska na etsahala. Mme ke dumela hantle hore dinaha tse pedi di tla shebisana gore na bothata bona re ka bo fenya jwang. Mme bomme le bontate dumelleng hore ha ke buile hakana ke boele hape ke fetise matshidiso go tswa mmusong wa Lesotho on behalf of the Lesotho government and South Africa government.